Hello, this is from Dr. Luis. So the topic today we are talking about why traditional spaying and neutering dog is no longer okay from TCVM view. In recent years, so veterinary medicine has began to question the routine recommendation for surgical sterilization for dog and cat. I have been surgeon for quite long years. So I have doing thousands of neutral spaying dog and cat. Now the evidence shows that neutering or spraying the dog and cat it is not a good choice for them because for the long-term health consideration, maybe they have more risk. The World Small Animal Veterinary Association, WSAVA, released the updated global guideline in 2024 to give veterinarians scientist-based advice on managing reproduction dog and cat. So I have been translated this part from English to Chinese. And in Chinese government, they already no, I'm not mean Chinese government. It is the Chinese Veterinary Association. They already published this book in Chinese. And from this guideline, we know we already have some scientists published paper to show that surgical remove the ovaries and the testicles can cause some problems for the dog and the cat. So as we mentioned that research have shown that earlier surgical remove the ovaries and the testicles can cause some certain risk to the health condition for the animals, such as cruciate ligament rupture and hip dysplasia and some cancers, such as hemangiosarcoma, osteosarcoma, lymphoma. And also since we move the ovaries and testicles away, it can cause some immune system problems and metabolic problems such as the gain obesity, and also the animal can also might have some anxiety related problems such as behavior problems. We can find some papers from the internet, but how about we discuss this part from TCVM view? What is TCVM? TCVM is Traditional Chinese Veterinary Medicine. So from Traditional Chinese Veterinary Medicine, kidney store gene, which governs growth, bone development, reproduction, and the reproduction organs such as ovaries, text, are directly linked to the kidney gene. So surgical removes the ovaries and the testes lead to sudden loss of this gene and disturb the balance of yin and yang. So let's go one by one to discuss the problems after the most common problems after neutering or spay the animal. So the first one, the orthopedic disease such as hip dysplasia. So the kidney, all we see from the TCVM view, bone joint are linked to the kidney. So the kidney govern the bone. When the animal was spayed or neutered too earlier, the kidney gene is damaged. So the kidney gene is weakening, and the bone and the joint are needed to be weaker. Then they will have a higher risk of the bone disease and the joint disease. So from this view, it is not good to to spay or neuter the animal too early, or it is ideal to keep these organs. Second, how about the cancer? So we mentioned that if we castrate or neuter the animal too earlier, the animal may have higher risk to develop cancers. So you can research from the internet to find the papers. Here, I wanted to discuss from the TCVM review. So the kidney also supports the yin and yang. So from Chinese traditional veterinary view, yin and yang are quite important to keep the balance of the our organs inside. And so if we remove the reproductive organs, and then it can disturb the balance of the yin and yang inside. And then especially the yin, and then will cause the yang excess, can manifest the uncontrolled cell growth and cause cancer or tumor. While also if the Kidney Jing is deficiency, it can weaken the qi and blood circulation and can also make the cancer grow faster. So from this view, maybe it's not a good idea to remove the ovaries and the testicles. So the third point, metabolic disorders such as obesity. We all know that the side effect, one of the side effects of the neutering or spay the animal is uncontrolled body weight. There will be obesity. We know that the kidney gene is stored in the kidney. If we neuter or spay the animal too early, it can damage the kidney gene. And also, the weak kidney gene will make the kidney qi weaker. And if the kidney qi is deficient or deficiency, it cannot support the spleen and leading to metabolic and problems, and also can accumulation the damp and the phlegm in the body, and which is in Chinese TCVM can cause obesity. So the fourth, urinary incontinence. So the bladder controls the urine, but the bladder is close association with the kidney. So from TCVM view, the water element, including the kidney and the bladder. If the animal is spayed or neutered too early, they can damage kidney gene, as we already mentioned that. And also gradually can make the kidney qi or kidney yang weaken. So make a kidney qi or kidney yang deficiency. And then cannot help the bladder to hold the urine. Or sometimes we can see kidney gene or kidney qi deficiency can cause the urine incontinence. So, or which can result in leakage of the urine. So the last one that I'm going to talk about today is about the behavior. So if we move the ovaries and the testicles too early, then they will damage the kidney gene. And kidney gene also can affect the kidney yin. And if the kidney yin deficiency, it cannot help to anchor the heart yang, because yin and yang inside is a balance. The kidney belong to water and heart belong to fire. So it is one group that we need to balance in the body. So if the kidney yin deficiency, it can fail to balance the heart yang and cause the Sen disturb. Sen in Chinese, it is something hot in the heart, in our heart, and can help us to have normal behavior. And but if it is a Sen disturb, it can be anxiety, hyperactivities, or fear-based behaviors can have behavior problems. So in this year, our topic of World TCVM conference, which will be held in Wuxi, China this year, the topic is about the animal behavior. So I'm going to share my 4 cases about how to use traditional Chinese veterinary medicine to help to treat the behavior problem for dogs. Thank you for your listening, and here is from Dr. Luis from China, and I just want to share you from another view to discuss about why neutering and spay animal is no longer okay. Thank you. If you have any question, please write down. I will answer your question once I have time. Thank you.